What's up, people? I'm back for another video. So right now, I think I'm gonna do a cannon. So yeah, I just want to make this a separate video since it's a bit short. It makes it easier having the raccoon tail and stuff. And we made it! Mushroom World. I'll be doing this after World 1. It's okay. See ya.